Hey guys, the end of the year is almost here, and so we are going to do one final activity together, looking at our elements of art. Now, we're going to be creating a bucket list for the summer, trying to use all the different elements. Quite a challenge, I know, but I think you can do it. So, start thinking of things you want to do this summer and how maybe you could use these to draw out what is on your summer list of things to do. Let's get started. So in order to create my bucket list, I'm going to actually create an actual bucket. So for the beginning of my bucket, I'm going to start at the top, right about here, and this is going to be the top of my bucket. Notice it is a curved line. Next, I'm going to draw two small lines going down and connect with another curved line. This will be the top part of my bucket. From here, I'm going to draw two lines kind of coming in like this, the slightly curved line at the bottom, and then here I'm going to make the top look like it's a circle by adding another curved line here. If I want to, I could also add a handle at the top of my bucket. Just like this, okay? So, if I want to, I'm also going to add maybe what grade you're in. So for example, maybe I put third grade right here. Now I'm ready to start adding the things in my bucket. So I've already created a shape. I drew the shape of my bucket. So I'm good with that. And actually, I added this to make my shape 3D. So it's also a form. How cool is that? Already can cross two off my list. Now, something that I like to do in the summer is go for a hike. So I'm going to write hiking right here and draw kind of looks like a little mountain. Just like that. And now I've used a line. Okay? Another thing I really hope I get to do is go to the beach. So I'm going to draw some water and a sunshine, just like this. And now I can write the word beach. Another thing that I really like to do is visit my family. So I'm just going to draw little stick people. A couple little people. Not everyone in my family. And write family. Now, you'll see that I'm also now including space because I'm spacing each of these things apart. Okay? Now, one of my other favorite things to do is I like to celebrate Independence Day in the United States, which is the 4th of July. And in the 4th of July, there are fireworks. So I'm going to draw a couple fireworks and write that there. Okay? And I could add a couple other things because I still do have space. But I'm going to get ready to start adding a little bit of color right here on my list. I'm going to first add some color to the waves with a marker. Okay. Next I'm going to add a little bit to the mountain here for my hiking. I'm going to put a little bit of red in my fireworks. And a little bit of yellow in my sun. also may write something at the top, right here. I'm going to write the words bucket list, right like that. Now that I'm done using my markers, I'm going to be using some colored pencils. The colored pencils I'm going to use, this will help give me my value and my textures. So I can use my blue to add the texture of my waves. There's my texture. I can use some green to add some value. So I'm going to start, the bottom is the darkest. It's going to get lighter as I go up towards the top of this. So there's my value. And already I have used all of my different elements of art. But I'm going to keep coloring this in a little bit more to give it a little more interest. Just gonna color this section blue. A lot of people in my family really like blue. I'm going to add a little bit of red colored pencil to the fireworks here, make them a little brighter, bolder. Since you view fireworks at night, I'm going to add a gray or black sky behind them. I don't want to color it too dark because I don't want to not be able to see those colors. I'm going to have that color the whole way over here to where the family is. For the beach, I'm also going to do a very light blue sky. Right here, the colors meeting each other. I'm going to extend that over into the hiking as well. So you always hope for a clear sky when you go hiking. The last thing I'm going to do is color the inside of my bucket. I'm going to color it my favorite color, which is purple. This is also a great opportunity for me to add some shading. So at the bottom of it, I can color it the darkest. And then go a little lighter and lighter as I get to the top. Okay? You could also color the top part of the bucket right here. And the handle. And just like that, I am finished. So, I hope you have fun creating your bucket list, and I can't wait to see what they look like.